Hello everyone, my name is Sonu Singh. So, what is Microsoft and MS Office? Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology company. It was founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen and headquartered in Washington. Microsoft is known for its software products like Windows operating system, the Microsoft Office and gaming console. It's also a major player in cloud computing through its Azure platform and has expanded into area like AI and quantum computing. So basically Microsoft is the American company and they have so many software products like Windows operating system, gaming consoles, and also they have MS Office. So MS Office. MS means Microsoft Office. There are two type of softwares, system software and application software. And MS Office is application software. MS Office also called as set of application like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and so many. The first version of Office announced by Bill Gates on 1st August 1988 at Comdex. Applications are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint, and so many. Initial release 1st October 1990. Founder Bill Gates, CEO Satya Narayan Nadella. Website is www.office.com. Microsoft Office applications are used in various sectors due to their user friendly interface. Educational, government sector, and corporate sector. Students are using for assignments, research, and communication. Government sectors are using for document management, reporting, communication within government agencies. Corporates are using for creating proposal to managing project and communication with clients. Thank you so much.